So here the question. Complete the following activity. The sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. Which are divisible by 4 is nothing but table of 4. Multiples of 4 we can say. 4, 8, 12, 16, so on. Okay. So we'll write here the first number is 4. 1 is not divisible by 4, 2 also not possible, 3 also no. So directly starts from 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 16, so on. And last number here it is given 140. 140 is not divisible by 4. So in previous number is 140, 139. 139 is also not possible, no, not divisible by 4. Even 138 also no. So directly 136. You backward counting. See like this. 140. 140 is not divisible by 4. 139 is also not divisible. 138 also not divisible. 137 no. And 136 is divisible by 4. So the last term is 136. Starting from 4, 8, 12, 16, so on up to 136. Now here how many numbers? So 4 to 136. Total how many terms are there? Is it possible to count here? Is it given? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on up to 136. How many terms are there? So number of terms n is equal to not given. So we will find. So how to find n here? Look at this. In this, our sequence was 4, 8, 12, so on up to last term was 136. Correct? So here A is equal to 4. D is equal to 8 minus 4. That is 4 itself. And this is the last term. Last term is nothing but Tn. So Tn is equal to 136. But the position of 136, in which place it is. So number of terms, this is not given. So what to do is, we'll use the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So in the place of Tn, substitute 136 equal to A is 4 plus n not given, we are finding now 1, and D is 4. So next step, 136 is equal to 4 plus multiply this 4 to n and 1. 4 into n, 4n, minus 4 ones are 4. So in the next step, 136 is equal to, here this is positive 4. So positive 4 and negative 4 cancels, remains 4n. So therefore 4n is equal to 136 now, and n is equal to 136. Take this 4 to right side of equal sign, so it becomes divide 4. So n is equal to 136. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Here it is 13, 1 remains. So 4 here, 1 and 6, 16. So 4 fours are 16. So n is equal to 34. So in this, here how many numbers are there? N is equal to 34. This we will fill. Whatever rough work we have to do in the separate part, and n is equal to whatever answer we are getting, fill inside a activity question, fill inside a box. So we can understand that from 4 to 136 total there are 34 terms. Next, n is equal to 34, A is equal to 4, D is equal to, roughly it is found already, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So directly you write 4. Next formula given here. So according to the formula, substitute values here. Tn is 136, A is 4, n minus 1, D is 4. After this, n is equal to 34. These all calculations just now explained. N is equal to 34. So after getting n, next here the formula given Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Formula is already given. So in this formula we will substitute the value. So n is 34, just now it is found. So S34 is equal to, in the place of n by 2. So here box by 2 is in the place of n, 34 by 2, 2 into 4, 34 minus 1, 41. This is already given. Now we will find the value of this. So I am doing here, S34 is equal to 34 by 2 into 4 2s are, okay, 2 into, sorry, this is a positive sign is here. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 plus 34 minus 1, 33 into 4. This is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 17 times. So 17, 8 plus 4 3s are 12, 132, 17, 140. Answer is S34 is equal to 2380. So fill the answer here, 2380. So sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4 is 2380.